Hello everyone, we are back with Velvet Reviews. Just got this backrest pillow in chocolate cover from Amazon. We ordered this to go on the couch to help support your back. So I just cut it open real quick, but I didn't get to even take it out of the box yet. Let's see what it looks like. Alright. Oh, it has a little handle on it. You pull it like this. There we go. So it has a little handle. Here's how it comes packaged. Just like this. Bam, just like that. Like I said, it has this little handle on it. Has the tag on the back. Let's go up close to the tag so you can see it. Has the tag that it says right there. This tag I'm going to put this way so you can see it. 100% polyester, spot clean only. Stratford Home it says. So I guess that's the name brand of it. Here is how you clean it and everything. So my mom got this for back support on the couch because we have a couch. I'll show you over here. We have a couch that's pretty deep. See, it's pretty deep this way. I mean, we're short, so for short people, if you're 5'6" or less, this works for you. So she usually puts the pillow there, but the pillow is not as supportive. It's losing its support. So this is a complete backrest. So let's put this on the couch, see what it looks like compared to this, ugly looking pillow we got here. So we're gonna put that in its spot. Let me go grab it. Let me go put this right here. That's my bird. That's being really loud. Judy, shh. Woo. Julie. So this is what it looks like. Just like that. You sit down. Has a little supports. Let me see. Does it hug you when you pull? I mean, I don't know what this is for. I wouldn't really sit like this. But it does help with posture, I guess. So this is what it looks like. Ugh. Brown color. Yes. What do you want? You gotta go out? It's my doggy, look. It's my doggy. Hello, Toby. Toby, don't be camera shy, Toby. Anyway, this is, that's just a little review of the pillow. If you're interested in getting one, this is what it's going to look like. It has the arms on the side. I'm not a fan of it right here, but it doesn't really hug you. I guess that's just to keep the pillow up in its place. That's what I'm guessing it's for. So, hello. So, this is what it's for, it looks like. So that's about it. You got to go out? I won't let you know. So that's it. That's a little review. Like I said, little handle. So maybe this will work for you in your house. I don't know. Help you with back support. We got brown to try to match it in, and it feels okay. I mean, it's pretty good. Let me see. Compared to the pillow, I don't know. It feels a lot more supportive, but at the same time, I feel like I'm pushed out away from the couch a lot more, so I'm missing space. Maybe this should be a little bit smaller. It should be about the pillow, a little bit smaller than this. Maybe it's not designed for this, but if you're going to use it, then it's really not going to work like this that much. You might not like it. Okay. So that's a Velvet review on the backrest pillow that we got for the couch. This is specifically for the couch. You can use it for the bed. It probably works even better in the bed than it does for the couch. We got it for the couch though, so that's why I'm showing you a review. So if you have any questions, comments, anything like that, please post it below. Subscribe to my channel. I'm always posting, new reviews on and stuff like that. And thank you very much for watching. Everyone have a great day. Bye-bye. Julie.